are kidding me right now. Yeah, sometimes like this, sometimes like this. We are human. Guys, this is my manifestation. Pink elephant manifestation. I'm gonna tell you the story. Okay? But now I can hear Kenji's voice.
So if she can come like 7, can be there at 7.
Tony's gonna come. Tony. Yeah. Tony's gonna come at 7.
Yeah.
Oh, very early. Sorry, Tony. Sorry for you. But it's nice to wake up with sunrise.
Yes,
you
and then
know.
you'll be done.
Do some yoga. You have yoga teacher, best friend.
Because me, I'm here, like, I wake up at 6:30. So coming down because I do some workout in the.
Are you doing workout too?
Oh, of course. Show the arms. Show the arms.
Of
course she's working out.
30, like that. She can be there like 7 o'clock.
Alright, so we got Hershey.
Sorry. So these girls are the new volunteers and this experienced volunteer, Kenji, is training them right now. She is in the business right now and she's in it. Look.
I don't care, like I don't care, like
You can do it, exactly, yeah. So if you guys are surfing at 4:30, maybe do 2-3 hours.
before.
What are you doing?
No, I'm saying like your surfing lessons will be like 2
What are you doing? What is this? Sunscreen? Is it sunscreen?
Sunscreen? I like it.
Mine, I don't know. It's like 25 or 30. I don't feel like I'm protected. Also, I forgot. Can I use for my face? You're gonna be on our YouTube channel.
Ah, nice.
Are you ready?
I will be a famous in a very...
Yeah, of course. We're gonna have like millions of subscribers. And you're gonna be famous, man. Can you imagine? Okay, it's boring now, you know? She's... We are going shopping with Sugar Daddy.
Alright,
And
do
then
that
Sugar
thing.
Daddy appears. After Sugar Baby and Sugar Daddy.
Alright, Sugar Daddy and Sugar Baby. Go, we training.
Yeah, we are going shopping, you guys training.
I'm hot already, how?
Close.
Yes. Alright, so you guys, this is the way things are going. You know, we're starting off, we got our new volunteers, we're training. We're doing some things, they're working on the rooftop like y'all.
Wow.
Backpack Hub is doing it, okay?
Ooh.
Co-working space. We're gonna have an opening pizza party. Like, come on, y'all, come on.
Pizza, we changed it.
Pizza, what's it gonna be? Yeah, so, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, hi. I said I'm gonna check myself 3rd March. So it's 6th March and rooftop still didn't finish. Now we are going with Kirti as always. Where?
Going to Madra.
Matra to look some stuff. Let's see. And today is holiday, everywhere closed. And we choose this day to go shopping. Genius. I choose the right day for us. No traffic, nobody will be around. Only the shop will be open that we are looking for. And
Let's go right now.
of it and then you forgot it.
No, then maybe sometime call me someone and then I call and then go to another work and then I forget.
Excuses. Yes, also
Man,
soon.
sometimes you have like energy like now, but sometimes you fucked up. Why is that?
I have 46 characters.
46 characters. What kind of 46 you mean, like
46 different characters living in me.
all woman?
No.
Locally called woman has 64 characters. Yeah, that's why I asked you. 46.
Really?
Yeah.
You are kidding me right now.
Because-
64 and the same numbers. I just say 46.
Yeah, that's why I asked you. It's 46 or 60. It's a very common in Sri Lanka. Everyone knows.
Cause do I have a past life with Sri Lanka? This character you are calling fucked up character. I am calling introvert character. What fucked up? Yeah, I don't wanna talk with you, kardeşim. Do I have to? Do I have to talk with you every time you want to talk with me? No. I am in my zone. I am in my world. I'm listening my music. I'm writing, I'm in a creative process, I'm in another dimension. You are coming asking what? Why did you choose black pillows?
It's funny. Cow.
I don't see your hand. Look. But don't accident. Okay, you look your way. Sorry.
No.
Ask again.
Fighting and reunited.
Fighting and reunited is
It's common. It's every time it's happened.
sometimes it's every day.
Really?
Every day. Sometimes there's nothing, and then boom again.
Again.
And then reunited. Of course, we always come back, but yo, I'm tired.
Wait, man. We just start. What tired?
I'm tired like of fighting and arguing and having to come back.
Good luck then. I'm tired of fighting. Then don't. Right? Am I right? Am I tripping?
Why your accent is so Indian accent, like, you know?
Because I have a past life in India. Okay, I was in India. Kitna discount milega? Kitna? How much? You know? Discount. Universal. Milega to me. Hindi.
I know that because I saw his movies my childhood.
For my Indian friends, I love you so much. Fir milenge. Fir milenge? You don't know what?
I
No?
don't remember.
This is the question. We don't know where we are going. Cicero Bova. We are going to Cicero Bova and it says open today. Merhaba canlarım. Sağ ol. Ne diye geldik? Bir sürü de alacağımız şey var. İstemiyorum yarın gelmek tekrar ya. Bak ne güzel şeyim dalgalanıyor. Bak o da durdu. Ne musibet gün ayol. Dalgalansana şöyle şafaklar gibi. Ey şanlı hilal. İyi bu da tuttukçuyla konuşuyor. Anlamıyorum ki. Biliyor bir de kapalı diye. Ne diye beni getirdin? Her yer kapalı bak. Bak. Hadi. Girdi. Hadi.
All closed, man. Today is
Of
holiday.
course. Why you are the local one? Now you have to buy me food. Ha ha ha. People are outside because it's holiday. Nobody is open their shop. We came to KFC in Sri Lanka. Let's see how is it.
Now keep this.
Thank you. You will say, let's go and open the door.
Let's go and open the door.
You don't have to say open the door. Open the door. Oh, Kirti. What a gentleman. Bye KFC. We will try again tomorrow. So nice. Hadi bakalım move your ass. Move your ass. Haydi. Dıt dıt dıt dıt. Dıt dıt dıt dıt dıt. Dıt dıt. Ah. Şeker oğlan. Tatlı mı?
Santa.
Ladies and gentlemen, we came to Santa's house. Is he at home?
Yes, I think so.
On the way to find out. Go there and check. Aç kapıyı Santoş.
Koydun ne? Ah. That's it.
Really? Ah, let's go back.
Why, man?
Tomorrow we come.
No, it's 5 minutes. He says like that.
It's not 5 minutes. You're lying.
No,
It's never
he-
5
he
minutes.
says 5 minutes. Let's go inside. Maybe his wife inside.
Ah, why do they like this? You put here, go there. Here, this araya. Ya bunlar hiç Türk şoförü gibi değil abi. Bunlar vallahi araba kullanmayı bilmiyor. Ben size söyleyeyim açıkça. Motorlarda bir sorun yok. Motor! Bak bak parka bak. 5 kameralı park ediyor.
Good place, man.
Ha yeah. Allah Allah. Eski driverlardan kim kaldı Kirti?
Chick chick.
Bak 5 kameralı parka gel. Allah'ını seviyorsun. Ben uzanırım şöyle, yanlamasına uzanırım. Ya pek bilmiyorlar anlayacağınız araba kullanmayı. Böyle uzaktan uzak duruyorlar böyle bir... Ya dedim siz bir Türkiye'ye gelin ya. Biz aynaları böyle kapatıyoruz. Arabayı böyle kaldırıp da geçiyoruz yandan. Yani bu ne panik ya. Hadi gidiyoruz eve bakalım. Hanım.
Lock.
Lock ha? Bravo. We come tomorrow hadi.
Call.
Where are you Santa?
1 second.
Where are you?
1 second. He said 1 second. 1 second.
It's not 1 second Santa. How many minutes you are coming?
5 minutes.
5 minutes? You say 5 minutes ago 5 minutes. We will come tomorrow.
Wait.
No, I don't want to wait. I need to work. We will come tomorrow, yes? Suratıma mı kapattı o? Is someone here? Which one?
Over there, you see?
Okay, hadi we'll see. Ah! Look who came back!
This is my friend.
Ah, your dog? The motorbike, man.
The coconut, man. You can drink fresh coconut.
Santa, I am recording your house. Huh?
Come.
Really? We came to Santa. You say come house, I came.
මේ උඩ කැලේ ඉන්නව කවන්නේ නැහැ. උන් ගියා.
Yeah.
You give this to me. Hi guys, what are you doing here? Of course, I'm local.
Everything.
I'm more local than. Everybody shows me coconut. Nobody gives me coconut. Open the. Ah, very nice. What are you doing, Ayo?
නියම් බඩමද?
Sorry guys. Show me your kitchen and I will know you more. Cook for me. I will know you more. Santa. Santa. Do some dance. Do some dance. Allah Allah. Santa. Inshallah. This is kitchen. Claustrophobia. I cannot breathe here. Cello, choose the plants. Go back. Since nobody opening a coconut for us, so. We also. Colors amazing.
ආ මොකද මේ
You give it to us.
Opening day.
ඔයාලා මේක මේවනේ?
He will bring as a gift. Us.
Ah, yes.
Nice, Santa.
මෙන්න මේක පැනනවා.
You will give this?
Only
It will take 1 year.
grow. මේ පැලේ දෙන්නේ ඔකට.
Allah'ım inşallah öldürmemişsindir. Ay,
මෙන්න සුපිරි පාන්නේ. මේකයි පොචින්ද මේක ලීයක් ඉඳලා.
bak. Anneciğinin kocaca minnoş patlıcanlara bak. Patlıcanlara bak. Koş. Teyzeler olur ya patlıcanlarım çıktı. Domateslerim varmış. 2 tane eşi. Öyle onların ruhu giriverdi içime o birden. Burayı da göstermeyelim hadi. Ayıbını örtelim. Yayınlayacak mıyım acaba burayı? Oh, it's happening. Nice. Santacı. Evet. It's very important ladies and gentlemen. Very sensitive. Çok hassas bir anındayız kokonat açma sürecinin. Bakalım. Evet, çatlattı. Wow, Santa, you are very professional, my friend. You are very professional. Thank you so much.
Once again.
Coconut. It's a clean dog. What? Boom! Can you see? Very good. Yes? Amazing. Hadi, we are going. And you coming Wednesday, yeah? Wednesday we will all work all together. Everybody, we will finish. Wednesday, finish. Last day. Really? Really?
Yes.
Give. Hadi, see you. Thank you so much, Santa. Bye. Cello. Kuma, where are you going? We did nothing, Kuma. We were there 4 hours. We find nothing because everywhere was closed.
Really? Oh, boy, they know.
No, we couldn't find anything. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
What is happening? Oh, munchiesing happening
overspilling,
here. Yes, of course.
Who is here? Who is working?
Who is working?
I am. Yes. Who been working since this morning? Doing some yoga, helping to get things together.
Oh my.
Yes, give me a little juice. Come on.
Yes, Kuma,
Yes,
you
give me a little
it's
juice.
so late for you.
Come on.
Yes, it's so late
Yes,
for you.
we got the
Kuma.
massage guy
Yes.
here.
He called
Kuma.
me, yes.
You served? You were supposed to wait for
In
me.
the evening, you can join the fasting.
You gonna go there?
Nobody's joining you in the evening. Nobody's joining you in the evening.
No, it
Let's be
may.
honest. Let's be honest here. Bırakın bu işleri ya. Bırakın ya. Hadi kapattım. I wanna go.
Yeah, me too. We need to go. I feel like I went on a journey with you today. Like I went shopping without going shopping.
It was a nice journey today. We did nothing.
We may party tonight, y'all.
Only if we have motorbike.
Reggae, y'all, in Sri Lanka.
Yeah, you
This
know.
is something special.
Yeah.
So
Rastafarians calling.